So this is the Palmetto State Armory AKV in tree bark. If you follow any of my videos, you'll see that this was sent back twice. First time, both for the bolt carrier firing pin situation. Tula steel, brand new AKV. And the hammer's just dropping. Tap, rack. Try again. Nothing. Palmetto took it. They ran it through a bunch of tests. They sent it back today. They said, they sent it back about a month ago, first time at the range. They said everything should be good to go. We have a full magazine full of, this is Norma 9mm full metal jacket. So let's make sure we're good to go. Again, thank you, Palmetto State Armory. I appreciate it. And let's see. That was a full mag. I think we're okay for now.